So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin Cash, ticker symbol BCH, on Kraken. So once you open up Kraken, I want you to go down to the main page here and press on the Explore tab. Then at the top, press on the search bar and type in ticker symbol BCH. Once you hear search results, it'll show Bitcoin Cash. Press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom, press on Buy, the purple button, then type the amount you're looking to buy. So for this demonstration, I'll type in 20. If you want to proceed with the amount, press on the purple arrow. Then on this page, you can see the amount, the price, the fee, and the total. And then if you want to confirm the transaction and proceed, press on the bottom where it says confirm, and then go that way. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Bitcoin Cash on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.